Howdy folks, it's Neil here at the Caravan and Camping Show. What we've got here today for you to look at is the Aura range. You've got single axle, you've also got tandem axle, but you can also get family vans. Now these are very, very quick to build. We can get them built in about 3 or 4 months. So why don't you give us a call at Dario Caravans, either north, Paraka or south at St Mary's, and we can get something going for you very, very quickly. These vans are an Australian built caravan and they have got everything. So you can customise it, colours on the outside and all that sort of thing. So a very, very good range of van, still with leather trim, and you're running Thetford gear. Inside here you're running Thetford, front loader washing machine, full oven, sink, etc. and tapware. And then you've got a nice bedding situation up the front here. This one has a no front window. You can change that. But come and see us at Dario Caravans at St Mary's and or Paraka and we've got you covered.